G'day guys, welcome back to another video. This was a quick trip down to Portland, which is about 4.5 hours from Melbourne, and the reason we set off down here was to come and check out these awesome sand dunes. For me it was the first time I'd been here, so I was pretty excited because unlike other states in Australia where you have sand everywhere to drive on, this is the only place in Victoria that you can legally access sand like this. So naturally, I gave the car heaps and let loose. Anyway, sit back, enjoy the video, and let me know what you think. Cheers.
It's alright. Walking a bit sideways there, bro.
Another quick thing is you'll have to excuse the wind noise. It was very windy there, I'm sorry about that. If I go back again, I'll definitely try and sort something out so I can avoid having so much wind noise. Thanks anyway guys, cheers.
Just accelerate down. Well, you couldn't get it the first time. 100 kilos out. Here we go.
Here you might be wondering what I was trying to do. I was just basically setting the car up to try and get a cool picture. It worked out alright in the end.
Hold on, I'll change angles.
That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If so, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Cheers.